Hello? Did you know 1 second of animation is made from 24 different images? When multiple images are played in quick succession, they appear to be moving because we're unable to process each individual image fast enough. This is known as the persistence of vision. In Victorian times, there was a little toy called a Thaumatrope that demonstrated this effect. So I thought we could have a go at making one. You'll need some card, something round to draw around, pencil and pen, scissors, sellotape, some double-sided taper glue, and a stick or straw. So firstly, take your piece of cardboard. If you don't have an A4 sheet of card anywhere, you can use the card from an old cereal box, or perhaps find some card in your recycling. You'll need to draw a circle. You can use a compass or draw around a small circular object. Once it's drawn, you can cut it out. If you need help, make sure to ask an adult. Now on our first circle, I'm going to draw a picture. I'm going to draw a fishbowl. There's lots of things you can try, and I've added some examples in the description. Once that's done, put it to one side to use in a minute. Now we need to draw another circle the same size as the first one. We then cut it out, and this time we're going to draw a fish. Now we have both sides of our thaumatrope. We need to turn one of them over. Get your stick or straw and tape it to the back of one circle. Then take the other circle and stick it on top with double-sided tape or glue. Your stick should be in the middle now of 2 circles. When that's done, it's time to try it out. Roll the stick between your palms and you should see the 2 pictures merge, making it look like your fish is in the bowl.